I am doing the Rainforest Alliance Hot Pepper Challenge. I've been nominated by my daughter, Casey Anglin. I've taken a jalapeno pepper and cut it into 2 pieces, so I'm having 2 jalapeno peppers. I've also blended jalapeno peppers into juice, and I will first drink the jalapeno pepper, eat the jalapeno pepper solid, then drink the jalapeno pepper liquid. Tastes like chicken. All right? Nothing to it. Still good. I nominate my son, Luke Tyler Anglin, to accept this hot pepper challenge for the Rainforest Alliance.
Really good?